What's up guys, and today we've got what seems to be another good look at the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, as well as all the color options of the S10 family revealed today. This time around, the leak comes from 91 Mobiles, which claims that these are the first ever official press images of the S10 family. Yeah guys, this is the first ever official picture of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So what we can see here lines up with the earlier leaks at the S10 Plus, showing an extra wide dual lens hole punch camera in the top right corner of the display, and a stripe of lenses and a flash modules on the rear. So guys, firstly, let's talk about these icons. The icons on the lock screen also match previous images, suggesting that Samsung is updating its UI in 2019 with rounded and slightly QTC icons. One thing more, what's notably missing in this render is a rear fingerprint sensor. Obviously, that suggests that the S10 lineup will indeed offer an in-display fingerprint sensor, a feature we've seen from a handful of companies including Vivo, Xiaomi and upcoming Oppo. It'll be a first from Samsung though, and a welcome change for some. Not everyone finds rear fingerprint sensor convenient to use, especially as the screen sizes continue to expand. So guys, this render also gives us a fine look at the Samsung's new Infinity O display. The O refers to the style of camera cutout. Samsung uses U and V display, offer rounded and angular notches respectively. It's rumored to be a 6.4-inch display on the S10 Plus, the same size as the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Other sizes will be available, including a smaller 5.8-inch device and a 6.7-inch handset, the rumored 6-camera 5G anniversary device. Yeah, the 5G variant of the S10 family will be a huge smartphone. And guys, if we talk about the color options of the Samsung Galaxy S10 series, the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus will be available in a new color dubbed Prism White. This finish uses a white undertone along with a combination of both blue and purple hues, thus creating a pretty unique finish which is similar in a way to the gradient colors Huawei was making. And also we have the green variant. This however isn't the popular emerald green tone that Samsung previously used on the Samsung Galaxy S6. In fact, the color actually looks more like the aqua-like emerald green which Huawei announced last October on the Huawei's Mate 20 Pro. And guys, now we have the information related to the cameras of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So according to the latest leaks, the main sensor will resemble the one found on last year's Galaxy flagship. This means users should expect a 12-megapixel variable aperture camera that can drastically improve photography in low light conditions even when required. Having said that, the second sensor, which is set to boost a resolution of 13 megapixel, will apparently arrive coupled with a telephoto lens. Much like Samsung's previously flagships, this should be capable of 2x optical zoom. Completing the triple camera layout will be a new 16 megapixel sensor which is fitted with a wide angle lens. At the moment, this sensor's exact detail remain unclear. Nevertheless, it will give users the opportunity to capture much more in their images, whereby users can capture photos from 3 cameras at the same time. So yeah guys, that's all we know for now, but we'll be finding out more soon enough at Samsung's upcoming Unpacked event on Feb 20th. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.